The Alps of Switzerland are a magnificent mountain range located in the central part of Switzerland. They are famous for their picturesque landscapes, towering peaks, and stunning alpine beauty. The Swiss Alps attract millions of tourists each year, offering various outdoor activities such as skiing, snowboarding, hiking, and mountaineering. The highest peak in the Swiss Alps is the Dufourspitze, reaching an elevation of 4,634 meters, 15,203 feet. Other prominent peaks include the Matterhorn, Eiger, and Jungfrau, each with its unique allure and challenging climbing routes. The Swiss Alps are home to numerous charming towns and villages like Zermatt, Interlaken, and St. Moritz, which serve as popular bases for exploring the region. These places offer not only breathtaking scenery, but also a range of amenities, including world-class resorts, spas, and dining options. The region also boasts pristine lakes, such as Lake Geneva, Lake Lucerne, and Lake Zurich, which add to the overall charm and natural beauty of the area. In addition, the Swiss Alps are known for their extensive network of hiking trails that cater to all levels of experience, providing opportunities to immerse oneself in the tranquil alpine environment. Historically, the Swiss Alps have played a crucial role as a transportation route, connecting various parts of Europe. Today, the Alps are easily accessible via a well-developed transportation system that includes trains, cable cars, and roads, ensuring convenient travel throughout the region. Whether you are an adventure seeker, nature lover, or simply searching for breathtaking beauty, the Swiss Alps are truly a remarkable destination that promises an unforgettable experience.